Good day, viewers. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you a question on National 5 mathematics. Now, let us look at the question. There are 964 pupils on the roll of Abeliven High School. It is forecast that the roll will decrease by 15% per year. And I said, what will be the expected roll after 3 years? Give your answer to the nearest 10. That's the question given to us. Then before we go into solution, please, if you have not subscribed, I would like you to like this, like and share and subscribe to enable me grow my channel. Your subscription is necessary for me to grow my channel. Let's go to solution. Solution. The question is all about increase in percentage and decrease in percentage. When a quantity or a value have not experienced change, it is what? 100% of itself. When a quantity or a value or money or whatever that have not experienced change, it is implied that it is what? 100% of itself. That's our basic. That's 100% is our what? Reference basic. So, another solution for increase in percentage. When we talk about increased percentage, we are talking about appreciation. When a quantity have an appreciation, it means that that quantity is selling, is increasing, is selling, is moving. And the decrease in percentage means depreciation. That's what we call depreciation. That's when a quantity had a depreciation, means that that quantity is phasing out. It's really phasing out. That means the price is decreasing. That means depreciation. Then we say full stop. And I say, whenever we have something in increase in percentage, which is appreciation and depreciation, we make use of the formula. We make use of what formula? What's the formula? Size or actual value multiplied by multiplier raised to power n. I said the size or actual value we want to get is what? Increase or depreciation multiplied by what? Multiplier raised to power n. And what's the n? N is the number of years of depreciation, or number, we will call it time of depreciation or increase. The time of what? Appreciation or what? Depreciation. So let's go to the question. Then now, this question was like, there are 964 pupils on the roll of Abeliven High School. It is forecast that the roll will decrease by what? 15%. That's what we are talking about, decrease in roll per year. It decreased per year, 15% per year. Then what will be the expected roll after 3 years? That's the time. That means I'm going to get my multiplier. Since we are talking about decrease, and we remember that 100% is our what? Reference. That's objects or quantity that have not experienced a what? Decrease or what? Increase. Right now we are talking about 15% what? Decrease. Means 100% minus 15% will give me my multiplier. And that means that what I'm going to have here, 100% minus 15% will give me 85 That's my multiplier is 85%. Right now, since I have gotten my multiplier, now I'm going to convert my multiplier to ordinary number, which is what? Decimal fraction. I'm going to convert my multiplier to ordinary number, which is what? Decimal fraction, by doing that my multiplier equals to 80% divided by 100. When I divide it by 100, I'm going to have what? When I divide it by 100%, I'm going to have 0.85. You see that when I divide this my 80% by 100%, I'm going to have ordinary number. By this percent destroy the percent, I will have ordinary number, and this ordinary number become my multiplier now. Now I'm going to the number n, and my n in this question, n now is equals to, what's the n? They said in 3 years, that's the time. N is the what? Time of what? Depreciation, which is what? 3 years. The time of what? Depreciation is 3 years. Now I'm going to put this in my formula. Then what's the actual size? The actual size is a what? 964 pupil. 964 pupil is the actual size, which is 964 times, what's my multiplier? My multiplier is a what? 0.85 raised to power what? 3, which is the year. Then and that will give me with my calculator, that will give me opening 0.85 plus raised to power 3, then multiply by 964. That gives me let me come again. I said 0.85 plus raised to power 3. That gives me this times by 964, and that gives me what it gave me is 5592.61. Can I say that? 92.0165. That's what it gave me. That's actual value. What I said, what will be the expected role after 3 years? That's expected role. That's what will be expected role. But the second question says, give your answer to nearest 10. Give your answer to nearest 10. Giving this to nearest 10, this will be equals to, can you see here? Giving this to nearest 10. Look at how many 10 is how many digit number? 10 is 2-digit number, 1, 2. Then look at it, 1, 2, this is 10. After I have taken that digit number, the number after this name is less than 5. Therefore, I'm going to round it to the 0. Are you following what I'm saying? I said 10, they say nearest 10 means how many is 10? 10 is how many digit? 2-digit number. And I say 1, 2, that's 2-digit number. After I've taken the 2-digit number with the 5 name, this remaining 2 is not up to 5. I'm going to round it down to be what? 0. And I'm going to have this as my word answer. This is the answer of that question. I have rounded this to what? 10. Because this is not up to 5, I'm going to round it to be what? 0. I have this. So the actual answer to nearest 10, this is what? To nearest 10. I said what? Nearest 10. That's the nearest what? 10. That's the answer to nearest what? 10. Then that's the answer of the question.